What do you get when you cross Pro Pods, AirPods, and a little bit smaller size? Well, you get the BlackPods Mini that are not only a fraction of the size, but also a fraction of the cost. Stick around for our full unboxing and video review. The BlackPods Mini are definitely a unique set of headphones. Unlike everyone else out there who has AirPods or Pro Pods, you are somewhere in the middle and also a bargain hunter. Speaking of bargains, 15% off code in the comments below. I've already opened up this box so that I could give you my full opinions on this product. I've been testing them out for the last week. Here we go. The box itself features a nice window, so when you pull out your packaging, you see right away your headphones. Let's get those out of the box though and reveal the small case that of course flips open and still makes, the fun sound that you've always wanted. But you don't get AirPods, you don't get Pro Pods, you get the BlackPods Mini, which is what I would say a combination of AirPods and Pro Pods. The top, oh boy, it's spitting out my music. I already had them connected. Stop, got it. The actual top is what I would compare to the AirPods, while the stem of the earphone is the style of Pro Pods. When you put them in your ear, you definitely get some unique looks, because not only are these different in form factor, but also different in color. They don't make black AirPods, but they do make BlackPods Mini. Let's talk a little bit about the functionality. The case itself gives you 24 hours of battery life, and the earbuds give you 5 hours of listening time. And judging from my 3-hour jam session of Kesha this morning at work, I would say that these battery levels hold true to what they say in their ad. The battery levels of the actual case and the earbuds can be easily seen on your Apple device, because when you pair these, just like you would with AirPods or Pro Pods, when you open the case, you get the same pop-up message that you would with the real thing. Additionally, you're able to rename the headphones, so you can see ours are named BlackPods Mini 3411 Heaven, just the 3411 though. And you can see the battery life of the earphones as well as the case, and I have to charge the case. But this, my friends, is where things get interesting. While you can charge this with a Lightning USB cable, they have gone one step ahead, and when you open up the box, you find this, a wireless charger. Yes, for these. So all you do is you take your normal phone charging cable, you plug it into the wireless charger, you place this on your bedside, there's a blue light, and then you take the headphones, you place it on there, and you can see the blue light that is lighting up on the charging pad means it's charging, and the red light gives you an indicator of how charged the headphones are. Now let's talk about the actual functionality, and I mean the touch controls, which, compared to most headphones that I've tested that are like this one, are definitely a step ahead. Why do I say that? Well, because when I actually press the earbuds, the sound stops, and when I press it again, they stop. Even more though, which I think is a good judge of these headphones, is that when I pull out the earbud from my ear and pull it down, it stops the music, pull it up, put it back in, it starts it again. The sound itself, I would classify as middle of the road. These obviously aren't Bose headphones, but these aren't super cheap headphones. I can't really compare to the actual real AirPods or Pro Pods because I've never owned a pair. The main difference that I do notice from these and the Pro Pods replicas that I've tried before are that since the top is more of the AirPod style, not more of, it is the AirPod style, it doesn't seal as well, so the sound isn't as robust as something that would fully seal in your ear, but it does allow you to stay more aware of your surroundings because you're not totally sealed off from whatever could be around you. Now that we've talked about the actual audio that outputs from these headphones, let's talk about the audio input and the microphones. At this time, I will be calling Jack. Red Bonnet.
Hello, Jack. This is Dave calling in from the BlackPods Mini, the combination of AirPod Pros and normal AirPods. With that combination, Jack, do I sound any better than normal, or is it the same old, same old?
These earbuds sound better than the Noir Pods that you recently reviewed. I will say that. Are you talking at a reasonable volume right now?
I would say that right now I'm talking just a little louder than my normal talking voice. So definitely projecting, but nothing too over the top.
Okay. Yeah, the microphones seem to be picking your voice up a lot better than the other Noir pods and Pro pods we have reviewed in the past. I would say this is in the runnings for some of the best cheap AirPods clones as far as microphone quality that we have reviewed.
Well, that is encouraging to hear. Hopefully that is the case for everyone who decides to purchase these earbuds, because as we all know, there can be some variance in quality.
Absolutely. Back to you, Dave.
Now that you've heard that audio from Jack and have a full opinion, my opinion, of these headphones, it's time for you to go check them out for yourself via the link in the description below. If you do decide to buy them, don't forget to use the code in the comment section to get that 15% off. Overall, these headphones feature a sleek and unique form factor, as they are the byproduct of, or maybe the child of, AirPods and Pro Pods in a small form factor, and a unique color option compared to others on the market. Additionally, you get the added bonus of the wireless charger, which I think is pretty neat, and overall I think you'll be satisfied with the audio quality as well as functionality. That's all I have for today, folks. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, click that thumbs up button, and also click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. Do comment down below any thoughts that you have on these headphones or something that you would like us to review in the future. But as always, we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.